guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Saxena from Proudvlog. So today I'm gonna be telling you guys how to make a popsicle ice cream on a small piece of paper. So the first thing we're gonna be needing is obviously a marker. I'm just gonna draw the bottom of the popsicle stick. This is like a straight line. And then we need to draw two more straight lines, obviously in a different position. Okay, then we're just going to connect the upper part. Like that. I'm going to make the stick. The next thing we're going to be doing is making some, make it look a little bit prettier. Here we have it, and then the next thing, I'm going to take some small marker, black marker, and I'm just going to create a kawaii face. Okay, here you go. And then small little smile. Then we are gonna color the upper part with some light blue. Actually, not with light blue, some dark blue color. Here you go. I'm gonna do the sides with a little lighter color. Have like a over coating with a lighter color to enhance the darkness of the last. Then we're gonna have some chocolate sprinkles. Oh yeah. Okay, so you can barely see it, but it's turned out to be black, but it can be dark chocolate. Okay, not too many sprinkles, just a little bit of them. And we are going to be taking skin color and coloring the popsicle stick. And yeah, we are done. Okay, we are done, but we have to cut the ice cream because obviously the paper is not that even and it's not looking so good. If you want, you can cut it. It's totally optional. Even though coloring is also totally optional because it's optional. You can use any of your favorite color. My favorite color is blue. Though my favorite color is like a light blue shade because I don't like dark blue that much. Still, I use the dark blue because I already have had a light blue popsicle stick, which I'm just going to show you guys in a second. guys, so here we have our popsicle stick. It's really awesome and nice and cutie little kawaii face one. So now I'm going to show you guys my other popsicle stick, which I actually just made. And it is really pretty. It's like a whole entire art piece, but I am not a you know, proper artist, so that I can make like really nice art pieces. It is looking good, and you can use this ice cream as like a bookmark too. It's really awesome. And here you go. So I just created it before creating this guy. Okay, it's kind of small, but it's okay. I also have like this awesome waffle. We have the popsicle stick is in the light color, as you guys can probably tell the difference, and it has some gummy yellow sprinkles which are lemon flavored, and pink sprinkles which are obviously strawberry flavored, and then at the bottom I have written happy summers. Just in the mood of ice cream because I can't eat ice cream because of coronavirus. Yeah, so that's why I was in a little bit ice creamy mood. So I just created it. And if you guys want to see more of these kawaii faces video, comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. These rings will bring a bunch of other videos which I'm planning. Oh yeah. I also have this popsicle stick which I just created again before creating even this. This is not yet colored and stuff like that. The kawaii face is also not yet made. It's a little pretty, like it's pretty. Okay, they're almost the same size, like you can barely tell some because the bottom, but boom, it is. I'm gonna stick it and it's gonna look really pretty. And yeah, so guys, that's all for this video. Hope you liked this video. If you just smash that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.